You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this Russian name of Russian origin, female. If you want to learn more confusing Russian vocabulary and names, stay tuned. Meaning noble. Russian pronunciation, Evgeniya. How to pronounce Evgeniya in English, if you cannot pronounce Russian or you don't want to pronounce it that way exactly. In English, the pronunciation that I suggest is as Evgeniya. Evgeniya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.